There are three primary types with a motion for temporary relief in Florida, and then of course one subtype, which we will cover in a moment. The first is a motion for temporary timesharing relief with your minor kids. That asks the court to either restore your timesharing if it was taken away by the other party, or to establish your timesharing. Perhaps if this is a paternity action, then your timesharing would be established. The second is a motion for temporary alimony relief or spousal support, in which you are an individual that needs financial support during the pendency of the divorce, which may be expected to take several months or even a couple of years. In that case, you need to prove, as you would ultimately at trial if your case gets there, you would need to prove that you have a need for spousal support relief and that the other side has the ability to pay. Another, which is going to be called a companion, is a motion for attorney fees, suggesting, of course, again, that you do not have enough money to pursue the action, and without some kind of financial relief and contribution to your attorney fees, that you will have to stop the case, which may provide an unfair advantage to the other side. And then perhaps, arguably the biggest, is a motion for temporary child support. This is a motion that can ask for rearages in your case, dating back to the date of the petition, or perhaps even longer, depending on how long child support has not been paid at all or has not been paid fully. In that particular motion, you're asking for an amount to be established based on the timesharing at that exact moment. And as we mentioned in one of our articles at the website, if you are filing for temporary timesharing relief, you may want to companion, as you might with any of these other motions, you may want to companion it also with the establishment of child support on a temporary, retroactive, or even final basis, because at that point you want to pay the appropriate amount. You want to limit your arrearages going forward. You want to be sure that you're paying the correct amount if you're the payor, and as the person receiving child support, you may also want to make sure that you're receiving enough, so that way all of your needs are provided for. And this is a motion for temporary relief in Florida, and those are the primary categories under the rubric or umbrella of family law that you would file one